Hello, doers. Welcome back to our channel, Devintelle. Today we will see how to manage your diet plan using this our Dev diet management. So let's see about that how it works. You can see here module Dev diet management. Here already install this module. So first go to this app, diet and nutrition. Here available all menu. If you want to create request for the diet plan, then first need to go this website and provided here option for the create request of diet request. Fill here your basic details like Miss Riya Sharma. Select here your birth date. Gender female. Add here your phone number. Add email address. And select here diet category. What you want like weight loss, muscle gain, balance, etc. Select category, diet and goals. If you have any problems, write here as additional details. Like I want to display here your request submitted with a thank you message, and also generate here your request number. And if you want to create again request for the diet plan, then easily use this new request button. So your request number is 03, and now go to diet and plan. Now go to this app diet and nutrition and go to this leads and display here your generated lead from the website for this 3 hours Sarma, and sequence number is a 3. Now open it and display here sequence number. Contact name is Riya Sharma with email, phone number, and also display here basic details like a birth date, gender, category, type and goal. Now convert to an opportunity. And now create diet plan. So display here all details of members this Riya Sharma. Select here dietitian like admin. Select date is 11. Charge is total 900. And now select here diet template like weight loss tea. Based on this diet template, auto load here meal details like Monday 4, Sunday 4, etc. And now you can easily create for this invoice. So now display here customer name, due date and product for this diet request. Also display here price 900. Do confirm this and pay. Again go to your diet plan and now link with this invoice. And also create here member like Riya Sharma, and if you want to directly create diet plan for this member, then easily create here. Now create Riya Sharma, this user, Now change here or set here password. When login with this Riya Sharma, then display oven diet plan details. It means easily track. So login with this Riya Sharma. And display here diet plans. Now open it. Display here my diet plans. It means Riya Sharma. Category weight loss, type, goal and date. Now open it and display all details. And below also display meal details. So here member can easily track all details related diet plans. Again go to your app, diet and nutrition. Go to diet dashboard. Provided here filters based on duration and based on partner. You can change data based on your need, like available total members, total created leads, total opportunity, total created diet plans for the members, created diet template and created total invoice of the diet plans. Also provided here chart, charges wise diet member chart. Like a total 4 members available: Riya Sharma, Nia, Nita and Azure. If you want to download this, then easily use this icon button. And if you want to print this, then easily use this print button. Now go to appointment dashboard. Here provided two filters based on user and based on duration. Like a created total appointment, total draft, confirm, done and cancel appointment. Also provided chart like a month wise, most demanded. It's in available total 2, keto diet and balanced diet. Top revenue by services and upcoming appointment. If you want to view specific record, then easily click on this view button and easily view this record for this diet plan. And also provided here print button for print this dashboard. Now go to configuration menu and provided here report fitness like add member, add here basic details for the measurement and BMI, BMR and BFP is auto calculate based on this measurement. Available all nutrition display here like a calories, protein, dietary and trans fat. Available all food types. Available all foods. Diet template, diet type, available here diet calls, diet category. Now schedule here time like early morning water, breakfast, lunch, dinner, etc. with defined her times. Available all services like a diet type. Appointment type is online or offline. Is the user easily updated user based on click. Now generate here slot, select here day, add here slot duration, buffer time, add here location, fees, start time and end time, description related this balance diet, and now generated slot based on this slot duration. Created all diet plan, display here all opportunity and leads, available all members and all appointments. Now again go to this website app, and provided here service options. Now go to this option, start your journey, and all diet plan available here. You can easily view this, and if you interested in, easily book here. Like a balanced diet, book now. Select here user like admin, select here date, and based on selected date, display here slot duration. You can easily choose here. Enter your contact details. Like Mitesh. Write here any message like balanced, and use here security verification for your security. Now send message and display here thank you message with created successfully your appointment for this Mitesh. Now go to appointments and display here your created appointment for this Mitesh. Now open it and display here appointment, balance diet, fees, company, email with phone number. And when you confirm this appointment, then send mail to the member and display here that appointment confirmed. Hello admin, your appointment has been confirmed. Now you can easily terminate this appointment. You can easily print all diet plan as a PDF report. And see here as a PDF report. So using this our app, you can easily manage your diet plan, easily track oven plan for the daily schedule. You can create requests for the diet plan from the website and also view these all plans and book appointment from the website site. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.